Welcome back, people, again. I have Tarek MAGEE in my squad. Yes, MG Sports have Tarek MAGEE in their squad. But there is a logical reason for that. Me not really just do things just because me can do things, yeah? Me not just do it. But it is match day, people. Match day. Let's have a look at what the possible squad might look like, in my view, and let's talk about the game that we have at hand. Jamaica versus Nicaragua. Nicaragua versus Jamaica, people. It is that time again. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. You don't know anything, but let's do the YouTube stuff. Hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, all them good stuff there. Let's get the show going. Anyways, we have to, it's Jamaica. Yeah, so just do the nice stuff, people. Hit the like button, you know, do the YouTube stuff, like button, share, whatever you can. Video's a bit late. I hear the video's a bit late, my apologies. But it's on match day, still before the game. So, still available to see the foolishness of me a chat. Anyways, come on, I don't say Tarek MAGEE and I start 11. I'll be giving you the reason why. Alright, so, this team of Jamaica go play. I'm not saying that they aren't good. I'm definitely not saying that they aren't good. But I do expect us to win this game. I 100% expect us to win this game. I do expect us to impose ourselves on these teams. Normally, we're supposed to be the top teams in the Caribbean based off the not even going to say the resources, the finances, but the resources that we have, the squad that we have, the type of the profile of players that we have in the squad. I expect us to be the best in the Caribbean. No, expectations are kind of different from reality. Sometimes in game like moment, things happen, concede no goal, red card, all these type of things. These things do happen. But other than that, or besides from that, I do expect us to dominate this game. I expect us to create chance. That's one of the reasons why I alluded to adding Tarek MAGEE in the setup. This might be somewhat similar to what we played against Cuba. If you guys remember the Cuba game, we were the dominant force in the Cuba game, created a lot of chance, just could not put the game away. And I do think that even if we created some chances, I don't think we created enough gill-cutting edge chances. But at the end of the day, we're going to get into that. All right, so we have had two meetings. Last meeting between both teams was in 2015, almost a decade ago. Can you imagine? That's far. That's a long time ago. So things have changed since then. Now the good thing is that we have been playing some good football. We have been dominant. We have been recruiting in the right places, getting the right set of players in, getting high-profile players in the squad. I.e. recently had it Mason Oldgate. Once we keep on this path, definitely we'll have a proper squad for the 2026 World Cup campaign. Now, an addition to that is we must also factor in we have a new coach and he's trying some new stuff, or he's trying to bed in his type of play, implement what he wants to do, and that most definitely will play an impact on how we move forward. Nevertheless, the expectations will remain. Despite all of those factors, the expectations will remain. And so I'm going to take a little a moment for you guys. I want you guys to put up I'm going to put up a squad now, people. And in me putting up the squad, I want to take a little moment to take a deep breath. So you can see the squad I'm going to put up. All right, that's the squad. That's the squad, people. That's what my squad looks like. As I said, last game, people, between Jamaica and Nicaragua, we lost the game 3-2. So technically, people are going to say, based off the fact that we lost the last game, we should be a bit wary. But as I said, that's a decade ago. We have improved significantly in many facets in what we are trying to do and how we're trying to achieve this target. Our target is World Cup. And if we have World Cup target on our head, we should not be so worried or much worried about a team like Nicaragua. It's not me being dismissive of the team or what they might bring to the table. It's just my expectations of the team, specifically the quality that we have in the team. No doubt about it, we should be beating this team. All right, let's have a look at the starting lineup, people. As you can see, Andre Blake goal. All right, so for the last time we played Nicaragua, we have 3 players who are part of that squad. 3 of the players now would have been in and around the recent squad. Andre Blake, Hector, and Mariapa. They have been in and around the recent squad up to this year. Nevertheless, Andre Blake is the only one at this present moment in the squad who were part of that last meeting, which was 9 years ago. That is the amount of experience that Andre Blake have in this team. 9 years ago and still going at this present moment. Andre Blake in goal is our captain. Right back, Dexter Lembikisa. Now, I don't expect Dexter Lembikisa to be in the condition that he was in the last matchup. I expect him to be in better, far better condition than the last time, because he's now playing more or so regular football. The mere fact that he's playing regular football, ideally I expect him to do a lot better. Last time out, head gastric blow. Tired. But I expect him, I have better from him this time around. Now, the defensive partnership I have is Damian Lowe and Ethan Pinnock. Now, person going to say, boy, a lot of persons going to say they prefer to see Deshaun Bernard over Damian Lowe, or whosoever they think over Damian Lowe. Let me make this clear. People, it was already announced or made official that Mason Holgate won't be able to play this game because documentations aren't necessarily sorted as yet. So, for now, Mason Holgate is on pause until those documentations are sorted. And he said, the coach did say that likely things might be sorted by the next game. So we're hopeful. Fingers crossed for that one. Let's go to the next one. So Damian Lowe, Ethan Pinnock is still a partnership. Recovery pace, Ethan Pinnock, cool, calm, and composure. Recovery pace of Damian Lowe, first to the ball, first in the tackle, first in the challenge. We need that. We definitely need that. Left back, Greg Lay in left back position. Now I go for a 4-2-3-1 formation. I know people got a problem with that. The reason I'm going for a 4-2-1 formation, if you had watched at Stephen McLaren's tenure, look at his previous games or systems that he have played, and also his biography. The type of formation that he used most often: 4-3-3, 4-2-3-1, and 4-5-1. I think it's 4-5-1, something like that. I think it's 4-5. Is it 4-5-1? Yeah, I think it's 4-5-1. But anyways, in the middle of the park, Joe Latibodier, in his press conference, he laud, in his squad announcement, he laud the aspect of having Joe Latibodier in the middle of the pitch. From my liking, I don't technically like having him in the middle of the park because I don't think that he's at the technical level to be our CDM, but most definitely has the work rate and the tackling capabilities, and also interceptions as well to get the ball, win the ball as well. So, but for that purpose, he will be there. No, I put Bobby Reed right beside Joe Latibodier. I put Bobby Reed technically like a number 8, box to box, to from. And Joe Latibodier stand in the middle of the park and do the dirty work. Bobby Reed feeding off the other midfielders. Now, people might not agree with that. A lot of persons might say Casey Palmer. For me, last game, I did think that Casey Palmer did have a good game. Yes, he had a good game. But I do believe that Casey Palmer just not decisive enough sometimes, and hold on the ball too much sometimes, and then he lose the ball. And can't get back. So for this purpose, I go with Bobby Reed as a number 8. Now, on the right hand side, I went with Cephas. Ronaldo Cephas on the right hand side, and left hand side, Demarai Gray. I went for pace in both areas. We want to get in behind. We also want to control those wide areas. And then now, I put Tyreek MAGEE as the number 10, the attacking midfielder. And leading line, Mikel Antonio. Who else? And if there's a substitution, we're looking at Mikel Antonio. We're looking to bring on none other than Kyle Dixon. We know a lot of persons are going to say Romario Williams, but Kyle Dixon may pre. But all right, so people are going to say, why start Tyreek MAGEE? Tyreek MAGEE would be the new addition to basically to the squad. Most of the squad is actually would have been playing together for some while now. From the Carnival. Yeah, from the Carnival. Most of the players would have been played from the Carnival competition. I can't remember it, man. Anyways, Why me can't remember it South American competition name, man? That take part in Carnival. Copa America. Yes, Copa America. Copa America, people. Anyways, so we'd have seen these players first. So the new addition would have started in this team would actually be Tariq MAGEE. Why did I choose Tariq MAGEE for this game? So I'm only choosing him for this game specifically because I expect the team to have a lot of possession in this game. With a lot of possession, we will need someone to make those skill cutting edge chances. Those cutting edge chances for the strikers. Those through ball for the strikers. We need that. We really, really need that. No, I'm not going to say Bobby Reed cannot do that. But this is a special talent that Tariq MAGEE has. This is his special talent. Those cutting edge passes in the final third. No, we don't have much players who can do that. Honestly, we don't have much players who can do that. So I expect, because I expect us to have a lot of possession, we'll be dominating in positions as well, and we'll be high up the pitch. So I expect Tariq MAGEE to making those final cutting edge passes in the close spaces where Mikel Antonio, Ronaldo Cephas, and Demarai Gray can cause some problem for the Nicaragua defense. For me, where expectations are concerned, I expect us to win. I really want us to win. really want us to win. I'm looking at 3-0. I'm looking at a 3-0. Can it happen? Of course. Can we do it? Of course. Should we do it? Yes, we will. Will we do it? Of course. I think we're going to win this game, people. I'm going 3-0 Jamaica. People are going to say, boy, MG, you never watch Nicaragua now. Right? No, we should be. We're supposed to be defeating Nicaragua. If we're not defeating this team, that means 100% we're not ready. We're not ready for the... Obviously, we're never really ready for Copa America. We're not ready for the World Cup. None at all. None at all. None whatsoever. It's not me writing off them, but I expect us to beat them. 100%. Anyways, go in the comment section, people. Tell us what you think. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. No, I am out. Yeah, we are out. Got the video done. God bless. Boom. Now I mean, like, share, and subscribe, people. We don't know anything already. Don't know anything go. Now I mean.